So this whole dieting and weight problem is an eating disorder? Yes. I seriously cannot even begin to wrap my mind around that. It's a lot to consider for sure. Other specified feeding or eating disorder. That's what we're calling it? Yes, OSFED. That's what we're calling it. And that's a real eating disorder because that doesn't even sound kind of legitimate to me. It is absolutely and totally legitimate. It's a fairly new diagnosis, but that just means it's a set of symptoms that went dangerously undiagnosed in most people for far too long. It just feels like I'm being written off by a lack of specificity. The diagnosis itself isn't very specific, but your symptoms and your experience are. We're not treating a diagnosis, we're treating you, and that is how we'll be approaching this.